Okay, folks, welcome back. I was cleaning up my studio and I came across a painting that got totally ruined because it got crushed in a pile of papers. But we're going to salvage the piece. So come along, let's get started and let's see what we can do with this piece. All right, so like I said, I came across this piece that was just like totally folded up and it was totally crushed. And I actually ripped it up because I was like, oh man, what's the use? But when I looked at the pieces as I ripped it up, I was like, hey, this would probably make a great collage. And today, what we're going to do is we're going to do just a simple black and white collage. Normally, I go crazy with my collages with the color and everything, but I'm going to try my best to keep it as simple as possible. So before we do that, let me show you some of the collages that I have done. I don't know if you guys remember all of these, but this is probably like my first one. Right? And like I said, I always go crazy with like the designs and the colors. And the way I work these collages is I don't give it much thought. It's very intuitive. I just go with the flow and whatever happens, happens. But it's really a very fun way to create, and I just love it. So we're going to get started. Let me find a nice blank page. I thought I skipped the page. Let me see. Oh, yep. We got a blank page here, and we're going to get started. And as you know, I always use gel medium. You can get this at any big box art supply store. I just found this brand very cheap and it was on sale for like $7. So, or you can use Elmer's glue. So let's start laying in the pieces. First, I'm just going to very randomly brush on some gel medium. And these pieces are kind of big, but there's really no particular method of how I am laying these pieces in. I'm just randomly laying them down. And always remember, squeeze out any air pockets that you see so it's nice and tight on your page. Just trying to make some form of composition here. You can overlap the pieces. And like I said, I'm sticking to just black and white. Now, most of what I'm using is from the painting. And like I said, just randomly, very randomly laying it down. This was a piece that was not part of the painting, but I found it. It's black and white, and I'm going to use it. Let's put some gray in there to balance this out. Put your pieces wherever it makes sense. Don't think about it. Just be as intuitive as you can be. I think this was like a hand in the other piece. So what I love about collage is like how you could just overlap things continuously. All right, we're gonna bring some balance over here. All right, so we're gonna let this sit for a while. Let's come back to it and we'll take another look at it. Let's take a break and yeah, we'll come back. Okay, so we're back from our break. It's looking good. Everything's dry. I think there are some few changes that I want to make. I'm going to add on a few little more pieces here and there, and then we'll get into the embellishments. So let's get started and let's see how this goes. Okay, so I believe we're at the end of the road with this piece. I believe that we salvaged the piece, we met our goal, and it came out nice. I really do believe that this came out nice. So let's take a look. I like it. It's still a little busy for my taste, but I guess that's just my style. I can't get away from it. So I hope you guys got something out of this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Go out, create something, make something happen with your work. And I will talk to you guys again soon. Yahweh bless.